I'm super excited that it's time for Christmas DIYs. This is my favorite season for my YouTube channel, and I'm so glad that you're here. Today, I want to share with you a really cute way to do advent calendars. Now, I recently started doing advent calendars about 3 years ago using Dollar Tree stuff. I'll link those at the end for you, but I wanted to do a different rendition of it, and I love how these turned out. They're really cute, and it's all Dollar Tree stuff, you guys. So I got the little favor boxes from the wedding section at the Dollar Tree, although they come in a pack of 12. So if you want 25 days, you might have to go for that extra third packaging, but that would be $3 each. The bag of pom-poms, also from Dollar Tree for $1, and these sticker letters, the black that I have, are also from Dollar Tree as well. This was incredibly simple to do. All you want to do is fold up your little boxes, take a dab of hot glue gun, and secure your pom-pom to the location of your choice. As you can see, I put my pom-poms at the top of the little bag, and then I took the sticker numbers from the sticker sheets and placed a number directly below it. And of course, you can do any color sticker letter that you want, or sticker numbers. You can even do letters if you want and write something out. You could do different colored pom-poms. I just wanted to do them in colorful just because I'm so used to red, green, and gold as my colors, and I wanted to make them a burst of color to kind of mimic colorful holiday like string lights. So that's why I went with all the colors, and that's why I went with the black sticker numbers, because I thought it would balance it out really well. And of course, in these advent calendar little boxes, you can put little notes of little action items to do, whether that's go get a coffee or go for a holiday walk, go see some Christmas lights. You can put little chocolates and candies and candy canes. You can even put little gifts like little lip balms and maybe some earrings if you really want to go for it. But advent calendars is such an amazing tradition. I wish I would have started ours sooner. My daughter loves them, and I hope that you guys love this rendition of it. And don't forget, I have I have only just begun. I cannot wait for you guys to see everything that I have in store for you. So stick around, and I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, if you want to check out my advent calendar video, click on the left bottom box. If you want to check out the rest of my Christmas playlist, that's going to be the right bottom box. And don't forget to click subscribe. Bye guys!